They're crunchy, they're healthy, but sometimes they can be a bit bitter. Ever wonder why some walnuts can be bitter? Well, today we're cracking the code. We'll show you a simple trick to unlock their hidden sweetness and transform them from bitter to blissful. This secret might just be the key to a long and delicious life. And guess what? We're using this secret weapon to create a mouth-watering Chinese walnut sweet dessert that'll have you saying ni hao to deliciousness. Ready to ditch the bitterness and discover the sweet secret of amazing walnuts? Let's get started. Have you ever taken a bite of a walnut and been surprised by a burst of bitterness? That's not your imagination. Walnuts do have a bit of a bitter side. The bitterness comes from a team effort between tannins and catechin, another astringent compound, especially abundant in the skin. What we can do to remove the bitterness is by soaking walnuts in hot water for a few hours. This can help loosen and remove some of the bitter skin that is still attached to the peeled walnuts. After a few hours of soaking, drain and rinse the walnuts several times under running water until the rinse water is clear and no longer brown. Dry the walnuts with paper towels, then sun-dry them until they are completely dried to prevent spoilage. It's a fascinating quirk of nature that walnuts bear a striking resemblance to the human brain. The walnut's uncanny resemblance to the human brain is a curious fact of nature. Beyond its intriguing shape, this nut is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for optimal brain function, walnuts have garnered attention for their potential cognitive benefits. While the brain-like appearance may be a coincidence, the nut's ability to support memory and overall brain health is no accident. These are the walnuts after soaking and drying them under the sun. Now, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Place the walnuts on a baking tray, making sure they don't touch each other. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Halfway through baking, take them out and flip the walnuts. Sprinkle some salt to enhance the flavor. The walnuts are done. You won't taste any bitterness in them anymore. And they're so crispy. You have to try them. Now, let's make another dish with these delicious walnuts. My grandma isn't young anymore, but she's still active and has a sharp mind. Her secret? Maybe it's her habit of enjoying a special homemade dessert. First, put 150 grams of walnuts and 15 grams of rice flour into a blender. Walnuts contain oils that can turn rancid and bitter upon prolonged exposure to air. Blending quickly helps to limit this oxidation process and preserve the fresh, nutty flavor of the walnuts. Additionally, blending the walnuts with rice flour helps to create a finer dispersion of walnut particles, further contributing to the smooth texture. Because rice flour acts as a thickening agent, helping the walnut paste achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. Add the ground walnuts and some of the 600 milliliter water to the larger blender container. We will gradually add the rest while blending. Add 60 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of evaporated milk, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Continue blending the walnut mixture. Then, gradually add the remaining water while blending. This ensures everything gets incorporated smoothly and avoids any pockets of thick paste. Grandma says this recipe has been passed down in our family for generations. Walnuts are packed with brain-boosting nutrients like antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E. These nutrients help protect our brains and improve memory. Pour the blended mixture into a pot. If you prefer a super smooth texture, feel free to strain it now. I personally like to keep a bit of texture, so I'll be skipping this step. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat and stir it constantly. Once it starts bubbling rapidly, remove it from the heat immediately. Then, you can add some vanilla extract for better aroma, optional. Chinese walnut dessert is a comforting and indulgent treat. Its creamy texture envelops the palate with a rich, nutty flavor. The sweetness is gentle, balancing the robust taste of the walnuts. This dessert is often enjoyed warm, offering a soothing experience on chilly days. My grandma likes to consume this whenever she's craving a dessert, and now she still has good memory and is not senile. Serve it with a walnut and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy walnut dessert you can be proud of. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video.